Nice to meet you.
Phil.
Oh, really?
Like they started it, and it wasn't very good, and that's why
It's tougher film to work with because it's a lot thicker, it's reflective, and it's printed. Yeah.
Obviously, window tinting is tough when you're new to it. Handling film, understanding the steps, is just a lot of steps. It's a very technical skill. I tell everybody when you're trying to learn window tint, it's very technical. There's just a lot of steps involved, from the prepping to the installation to setting expectations to how to sell the film, understanding how film works, what it can and cannot do. There's a lot of things that what we're teaching these guys is just things that we've learned over time. It's a combination between myself and Phil, combining our minds together, just doing tons of tint. We've traveled around the country figuring things out about how to do tint better, what's worse, what's better, about how to install, how to sell it. So all those things, we try to incorporate it all into a 2-day class where we use 16 hours to kind of go both on the installation side and the things that you got to know, how to sell the product and how to set expectations correctly, because all those things are crucial in order to be a good window tinter, in my opinion.
First day was good, very informational, and just learning about the tint was kind of key, so that way we got a lot of insight on what to expect going forward.
It was good. Just like anything else, first day of school, first day at a new job, anything else like that, you have your nerves that you have to work around. I've done this before, just not on any large scale by any means, just as DIYer. And so I was just like, I was coming into it trying to think as I've never touched tint. I don't know anything about it. Try to soak up as much information as I possibly can from people that have been doing it.
I think I just wanted to get a feel for what it was like, if I was going to be in over my head. At first it was a little overwhelming, but it's just really repetition and handling it and getting used to it.
It's all the little details, the little tips and tricks and everything to make it easier to install that are the things that I picked up on and learned. And now I need to just go back home and just tint the car, remove it just like we're doing here. Tint it again, remove it, tint it again.
It was a lot further than just being a good technical installer, which that's important too. But if you're gonna make this a business, and that's what we really try to teach here, is not just how to put this stuff on, but how do you sell this and how do you grow a business from there to, improve your life, change your life, how to get some finances in your pocket and ultimately grow a business and, do whatever you want with it, grow a team, teach it down. All those things start from a foundation, and the foundation really starts here. So, yeah, so if you guys are interested and you want to learn how to window tint, give me a holler. I'll send you the course curriculum, all that stuff, and we can get going and get you started on your way to learn window tinting. It's a skill that if you practice and once you learn it and you have it in your tool belt, it'll stay with you for a lifetime. It's a skill. I always say it's just like anything else, like a plumber or electrician or any other skill you may have, window tinting is one as well. And I don't foresee any robots coming in taking our job anytime soon, so I think you'll be fine having this skill.